Good morning, class. This is going to be the lesson for Tuesday, November 24th, 2020. And today we are going to take a step-by-step, I'm going to present a step-by-step method on how to draw the lips in 3 different ways. Now, in this video, I'm only going to cover one process, but online, I'm going to have the slide presentation available to you, and you can see all 3 processes in the slide. It's 40-something slides, so you don't want to be talking for all 40 slides. So you're only going to get one version today. It's up to you to choose which one you wish to draw. All right. So I encourage you to take your time and draw this. The more you do it, the better you get. But here we go. Okay, we're going to draw the lips in a 3/4 view. All right. Step 1. Sketch a circle with a vertical line in the middle. Add a perpendicular line just below the middle and extend it slightly beyond the circle. In other words, you're going to draw the circle, you're going to draw a line dividing it in half, and perpendicular, if you don't know, means it crosses over. So you're going to cross over your line in the middle, dividing it into 4 equal sections. All right? Step 2 gets a little tricky. Remember, step 1, step 2. What are you going to do? Use triangular shapes to create the general shapes of the lips as shown. Add an ellipse to the bottom half of the circle. What that means, you're going to start with 3 triangles. Let me show you how. All right? See right here? There's 1. See right here? There's 2. See right here? There's 3. Now, an ellipse is like a narrower version of an oval, and you're going to draw that right here. Really, if I were you, I would start with the ellipse first. Draw that ellipse right here first. That'll give you your bottom lip, and then from there, you can draw a triangle here, and triangle there, and you'll get this this guideline. Step 3. Say it like that. All right, you can do some erasing and some adding. All right, use the triangle shapes. Okay, outline the sketch, smooth out the lines and round the corners. Add a small protrusion, something that sticks out at the bottom of the upper lip. So let's think about this. What's the difference between here and here? Take a look at this on step 2 in here. You curve that down. You get rid of this little tip right here, and you basically curve it down right here. How do you get this right here? Basically, you're curving this down here and here, and you're erasing this part right over here. All right? All right? And this line right over here, you can see you're curving it. Look, you're curving it around, so this lip is coming down and around. Remember, it's a 3D project. It's a 3D drawing. Step 4, erase extra construction lines and add visible teeth, all right? Okay, this part right over here, you're going to erase it, you're going to get that. Nope, we're not there yet. All right, so this part right over here, erase that. All right, this part right over here, all right? And you're gonna add teeth in the middle. Don't give me your whole smile. Give me like 2 or 3 teeth. 2. The lips will be shaded according to their shape to show their volume and how the light falls. The light source is coming from the top right. The corners of the lips will be the darkest part. So you're gonna have to figure out where your light source is coming from. The top right, bam. This is my right, bam. It's going to shadow, it's going to highlight right over here and add shadows over here. So you'll be able to figure out where your shadows and highlights are coming from. Hope this helps, but the thing is this. You're going to have to do some more work, all right? Use a paper blender or wadded up paper towel to blend the dark areas that have already been marked. Okay, you marked it back over here, now you got to blend it in, all right? Use a soft eraser or a kneaded eraser to add highlights on the lips. use a soft HB pencil to add texture to the lips. So think about it. It's not a smooth surface. You're gonna add some texture to it, all right? But be sure that you add your highlights and your shadows, all right? Everything else, you can draw lips for visible teeth, go on, go on, go on. And you have 3 different versions on this slide presentation. You're only supposed to do one, but if you're bold enough to do all 3, go for it. I'm not gonna stop you, but you're required to upload it on Tuesday, all right? For Tuesday's lesson, let's put it that way, all right? Any questions, email me and I'll get back with you when I get back. Peace.